go, baby.
Wow, Eli. You're doing great.
Yes, sir, he's working that thing.
Access granted.
Wow, Eli.
Tell me as you riding, tell me as you vibing, tell me where you slide on the low. I can be a diamond, the one that you can find in, give you time and a little more. And baby girl, won't you come my way? Hop up in that plane, maybe we could spend a day somewhere in the world where it's you and just me. Where it's you and just me. And shawty, won't you come my way? Got a lot of things that I'm wanting to say. Listen, baby girl, won't you come my way?
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back again with another banger. Let's go. We about to get ripping downtown. We're gonna go get some drone footage, and I'm gonna give you all 5 maintenance tips. Let's go. Man, it is hot out today. It's like a solid 103 right now. Got me a nice little nap. We're feeling pretty decent too. Not even gonna lie. We're on the way downtown somewhere. Let's go. Maintenance tip number 1, baby. Lube and adjust your chain often. I'm talking every, like, I don't know, it really depends on how often you ride and what kind of bike you have. Like on a 1K, I have to adjust my chain for every 5 to 10 rides. On your 400, you might not have to adjust it, but every 20 or 30, it really depends. Check and make sure you don't really have much more than like 1.5 inches of slack. Tighten it back up, you know what I'm saying? Lube her up, clean it. Clean and lube your chain, man. That's one of the most important things. It's literally your drivetrain on the bike, you know what I'm saying? Chain is literally your drivetrain on the bike. It's like your transmission or your rear differential on a car, which is pretty much what makes the vehicle go. And if it breaks, not only can it hurt the bike, but it can also hurt you. It can literally chop your foot or your leg off, man. I've seen and heard stories of that kind of stuff happening. And I don't know about you, but I'd like to keep my leg. And something simple like cleaning and lubing your chain could do that for you. Let's go, baby. My guy is whipping that thing. Alright, alright. Woo! That thing looks so good in the sun, man, especially since he got it all done. Since he finally got all the carbon in on that thing. Speaking of carbon, I got a notification as I got on the plane to come down here. My carbon is finally shipped. It is on the way. By the time y'all see this though, it'll probably already be on the bike, and you'll already know if you follow me over on Instagram. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, go and check me up right here, baby. Oh! Got him, man. Got him. Got him. Woo! Let's freaking go, bro. We in Texas. We in Texas. Getting lit. We on the bikes. Ha ha ha. Maintenance tip number 2. You can do all of your own maintenance yourself, I promise you. And there's a how-to video on YouTube for your bike, I promise you. And if there's not, there's something similar enough to be able to figure it out. It's not too hard to work on these things, man. They're so much more simple than a car. They really, really are. And I've worked on a lot of cars and bikes and stuff over the years. And working on bikes is 10 out of 10, a lot better. You can do all of your own maintenance stuff, whether it be changing your oil, tightening your chain, you know, swapping your radiator fluid, doing a radiator fluid flush, whatever it may be. To continue with the tip. Judas got him. Judas still got him. Still got him. Oh, the R1 might have came around. Here they come. Baby, yes sir. Let's go. Let's watch him work. Let's watch him work. Yes sir, he's working that thing. Working that thing, baby. Working it. Watch him go. Watch him go. Oh, he still got it up. Still got it up. Holy crap. We're out here having a blast, bro. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. So if you didn't know, man, I had a flight down here. 2 of them actually. And they hauled the bike down for me, thankfully. I love Dallas's bike scene, but the heat down here is insane. I think Judas left early. There go D. There go D on the wheelie. It's just switching back and forth between it and the H2. That's the only bad thing about riding multiple bikes in like one weekend, man, is you don't really get used to one completely. I've only ever brought one. As of now. As of now. Maybe in the future that'll change, hopefully. But I've only ever brought one. And by the end of the trip, I start, you know what I mean? I almost start riding better. Look at this, how humpy it is. The roads just have like big humps in them. Like not really like a, I mean some of them are jumps, but humps. Like riding a little galloping horse. Man, look at that skyline, bro. That is sick. Texas is so flat, like I can tell that is super far away and nowhere near us right now. But Texas is just so flat that you can still see it. Man, just look at that skyline all the way over there, bro. That is epic. That is friggin' epic. I think this might end up being where I end up moving one day. But this right here is, I mean, I'm loving this. And their bike scene down here has probably been one of my favorites. And they've been the most chill and inviting out of any bike scene that I've ever went and visited. We are in the tunnels, man. Yes, sir. This is epic. We tried to come down here last night, but didn't really do much. Look at my guy up here chilling with it. He's up here getting it, baby. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah. I love it. And he's in the boots too. I know he can't feel that brake at all. Through the speed cameras they were talking about. They said they got cameras down through here to pretty much track your speed, I guess. To see who's speeding and yeah. Look at the whole task force down here. Hopefully we don't meet them. Look at my boy D go. Look at him go. Yes, sir. Maintenance tip number 3. Every few rides, go over your bike. Check, make sure there's no loose bolts or any that have gone missing since you last rode, as wild as that sounds. These things vibrate an insane amount, and that bolts fall out all the time. I've had to replace bolts multiple times. It don't matter Loctite or not. You're gonna have stuff on these that just come out. Like, you can't help it. I have one up here that came out recently. I got to replace it. And then I got a couple back here that was on my exhaust hanger that I replaced recently as well. Definitely go over your bike every now and then, man. Every 5-10 rides, you know what I'm saying? Just give it a little look over, loose wires, you know, anything rubbing that ain't supposed to be, nothing like that. Just give it a good once over. Man, what a beautiful bike that is. I'm trying out some new stuff with the GoPro settings. Let me know if you like it. Over there. Maintenance tip number 4. Don't listen to the manufacturer recommended oil change services. Okay, I think a lot of them are saying like 5 or 10,000, maybe even 15,000 now. Hell no, 3,000 max. I don't go over 1,000 or so without changing my oil. It happens sometimes you're on a trip, you know what I mean? But I don't try to go over 1,000 miles without changing my oil. These aren't like the car motors. You're not, you gotta think. I mean, look, right now I'm at 6,000 RPM, cruising on the interstate at 90. It's definitely harder on the internals and stuff and on the oil itself than what your car would do. Don't do it. Just don't. 3,000 miles max, you all. That's one thing got him. Look at me going to me. I'm not even gonna lie, it's so sick down here. Showed nothing but love for us. This bike community down there is awesome, man. Maintenance tip number 5. Wash your bike somewhat regularly. Not just the classics. Like every 6 months to a year, I do a deep cleaning for sure. Get all the dirt and grime off. It'll keep it from rusting up over the years. And all you gotta do is just deep clean it every now and then. My guy is whipping that thing. Let's go. What is Scooter's up there doing? What is Scooter's up there doing? It's so awesome getting to see all the different skylines, bro, on the bike. And the way way that I'm getting to see them, I wouldn't want to see them any other way, bro. I really wouldn't. That thing is clean, bro. I know that thing's fast. I know that thing's probably making about 800 plus. These on slicks, you feel? That's the thing, man. I feel like the road down here is so damn hot, you don't even need slicks. You could get a cheap tire. We were talking about that earlier. You could get a cheap tire and it would probably be sticky on this road. Like some little jank tire. Just because I know these roads are that hot. Damn, look at this. This road ain't worth a hell right there. I don't know. Who does stuff like that? I don't understand it. Guy's bearings and stuff's coming apart over there on the junk Honda. Look at him over here. Yes, sir. Let's go. What is that? Medieval time. That is a cool building. Now that is cool. Texas in general is just such a big ass state. Oh, this is crappy. Bumpy. Not very even. Got a lot of cracks and grass growing in it. That was perfect. Let's go. Damn. Keep going to the top.
If you enjoyed that video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified when there's more bangers like this uploaded, baby.